And starting October 1st, Connecticut homeowners will have to follow a new state law when it comes to smoke detectors.
And it's aimed at saving lives and silencing that infamous chirping sound. Fox 61's Raven Blue has the details.
You hear that noise? We've all heard that noise before. It's the annoying chirp of a battery needing to be changed in a smoke detector. Well, that constant chirp could be a thing of the past, well, at least for 10 years. It's a sound every homeowner knows.
And really, smoke alarms are your first line of defense in a fire.
It's the high-pitched chirp that tells you it's time to change the smoke detector's battery. But under a new Connecticut law taking effect October 1st, smoke detectors that rely on replaceable batteries will no longer be sold in the state. All smoke detectors powered solely by a battery must now have a non-removable battery that is designed to last 10 years.
These new alarms, you don't have to follow the every 6 months, change your clock, change your battery. The battery is good for, the next 10 years.
According to the National Fire Protection Association, almost 3 out of 5 fire deaths happen in homes without working smoke detectors. The new law is designed to fix that and give families a long-term, worry-free option.
That what really helps us out with a lot of problems that we have, and especially in a lot of our fire deaths. We find that there's either a missing smoke alarm or the battery was removed or was dead in a smoke alarm. This new technology aims to eliminate that problem.
While the law will go into effect, that doesn't mean you have to change your smoke detector right away. The law only applies to battery-only operated smoke detectors. If your detectors are hardwired with a battery backup or are less than 10 years old, you're not required to replace them yet.
Once your smoke alarms hit that 10-year mark and it's time to replace them, then you'll have to replace them with this new style.
Businesses will no longer be allowed to sell the older model smoke detectors. Anyone in violation of the law will be fined $100 for the first offense and $500 for any violation after. But there is a grace period. Existing inventory of replaceable battery-operated detectors and any orders placed before the October 1st date will be able to be sold. If you need a smoke detector, check with your local fire department or the American Red Cross to see if they have a free smoke detector program. Reporting in Hartford, Raven Blue, Fox 61.